Hello everyone, welcome everyone to the third class of probability for the CMA students. So far, if you have gone through my last two classes, I have done 20 numericals. So far, we did till question number 20, okay? Where the last question, what we did here was this: the probability of A hitting the target is 1 by 5, B not hitting the target is 3 by 4. So if B not hitting the target is 3 by 4, so B hitting the target would be 1 by 4. So A hitting the target is 1 by 5, B hitting the target is 1 by 4. What is the probability of hitting the target means? It means that either A try or B try or both of them try, like the target should get hit. So it can be A hitting, B not hitting, or uh, A not hitting, B hitting, or both A and B hitting, or equal to 1 minus none of A or B hitting. So we did this in the last class, question number 20. Now I'll go ahead and I'll discuss question number 21. Question number 21 is like that: probability of B is 1 by 3. 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 AB. AB means A into B. Probability of A into B and AB, A intersection B means AB, that is equal to 1 by 4. So if it independent event, then A intersection B. So A, what is probability of A by B? Probability of A by B is nothing but probability of A intersection B by probability of B. So A intersection B is given as 1 by 4 and A by probability of B is 1 by 3. So the answer would be 3 by 4. So probability of A by B is 3 by 4, option B. Okay, question number 22. The chance of getting a defective screw from two boxes A and B are 1 by 5, 1 by 6. So defective from A. So defective screw from A, the probability of getting that is 1 by 5, is 1 by 5, and defective screw from B, it is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so they are defective screw. Non-defective screw, so it means defective screw. Okay, defective screw. So probability of not getting a defective screw, it would be 4 by 5. Probability of not getting defective screw from box B, it is 5 by 6. है ना? I hope you are getting this. So sorry for disturbance, guys. So the in the question it was given that the probability of getting a defective screw from bag 1 was 1 by 5, and from bag 2 bag B is 1 by 6. So non-defective from bag 1 would be 4 by 5, and non-defective from bag B would be 5 by 6. Okay, box is selected random. So you choose a box. So what is the probability of choosing a box? So what is the probability of choosing a box? So box 1, 2 box are there. Box 1 or box 2, 2 box is there. So you choose any box. The probability of choosing that box is 1 by 2. Okay. A box is selected random and screw is drawn at random from it. Okay. So what is the probability that you will get a defective screw from box 1? So that would be 1 by 5. And what is the probability that you will get a defective screw from box 2? That would be 1 by 6. Okay, fine. So what they're telling, what is the probability that came from box 1? What is the probability? A defective screw, na? A defective, okay, it's found to defect, Bayes theorem question. So it's found to be defective. Okay, so it's a question of Bayes theorem. So you got a defective screw, and what is the probability that it is from box 1? Okay, so what you will do for doing this? You'll multiply the probability of choosing box 1 into probability of getting defective piece from box 1. This divide by probability of choosing box 1 into probability of getting defective piece from box 1 plus what is the other cases? Box 2. What is the probability of choosing box 2 into probability of getting defective piece from box 2? Okay, so the probability of choosing box 1 is 1 by 2. Defective piece from box 1 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Then 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus selecting box 2 is 1 by 2. Defective piece from box 2 is 1 by 6. So this would be 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12. So this would be 1 by 10 LCM if you take 10 and 12 LCM 12 I think would be 60. So 6 plus 5 11. And so so answer would be 6 by 11. So this is a concept of Bayes theorem. Already in the last class and all, we have discussed about Bayes theorem. The answer for this option C, 6 by 11. So question number 22 done. Now question number 23. Question number 23. Probability of A is 1 by 2. Probability of B is 1 by 3. And A union B is 7 by 12. A union B is 7 by 12. So A by B, probability of A by B. So that is nothing but probability of A intersection B by probability of B. Okay. So A intersection B, how will you find? From A union, you have to subtract A and B. So you know the formula that probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So A intersection B, probability of A intersection B is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus union 7 by 12. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 12. So LCM will be 12. 2 and 3 LCM 6 or 12. 2, 3 and 12 LCM would be 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. 6 plus 3, sorry, 6 plus 4 minus 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So you'll get is 3 by 12 or 1 by 4. So A intersection B is 1 by 4 and probability of B is 1 by 3. So the answer would be 3 by 4. So question number 23 answer is option A, 3 by 4. Question number 24. Okay, question number 24. Again, Bayes theorem question. Choosing box 1, box 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, and they're asking you question number 24. Question number 24, they're asking you probability of B1, B1 A. So this would be probability of B1 into probability of A by B1 by probability of B1 into probability of A by B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of B2A or whatever is written. I think B or whatever is written. So probability of B1, B2 is 1 by 2. A by B1, A by B1 is 1 by 3. A by B1 is 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, this whole divide by 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, choosing B1 or B2 is 1 by 2, and then A by B2, probability of A by B2 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. So this would be 1 by 6 whole divided by 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So 1 by 6 by 3 by 6. So answer would be 1 by 3. So the answer is option D, 1 by 3. Okay, now practice question. Question number 1. Among the examinee in the examination, 35%, 45% fail in statistics, maths, and at least one of the subject respectively. Okay, let me write it down then. Okay. Probability mm, probability that uh, you failed in statistics. Statistics is 30%. You failed in statistics is 30%. You fail. So you pass in statistics would be 70%. And in your examination, 35% fail in maths. And probability that you fail in maths is 35%. Okay, this is failed probability. This is failed probability. Okay. You failed in statistics, you maths, and 45% in at least one of the subject. 45% is at least one of the probability that you failed in maths or statistics is 45%. Okay. So, 20% is the probability that you failed in both the subject. Okay. So what is that okay. So okay, examiner is selected random. What is probability that he failed in maths only? Failed in only maths. Maths. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, like this. So you failed in maths. This is 35. Okay. You fail in statistics, it is 30. Okay, and you fail in both is X. Okay. So 35, okay, plus 30 minus X, that is equal to you both, like either maths or statistics, it is 45. So 65% minus X means you're failing in both the subject. It is 45. So you fail in both the subject, it is 20%. You fail in both the subject is 20. So you fail only in maths, it would be 15. 15, option A. Clear? Fine, everyone. Any doubt, anyone? Fine. Question number 2. Okay, the odd are 9 by 5 against a person's 50 year living till 70 year, and 86 against the person who is 60 year living till 80 year. 9 by 5. So probability would be 5 by 14 that he live till 70, and 86 against a person who is 60 year living till 80 year. 8 is to 6, I think. It is 8 is to 6, not 86. 8 is to 6. I think this is not 86, it is 8 is to 6. Okay. So question is like this, which is this question number two. So odd against favor, you know that odd against favor is Q by P. So your probability is basically, the formula of probability is basically P by P plus Q. Okay, I think everyone knows this formula. Okay, so this is odd against favor. This is odd against favor, odd against favor, odd against favor. Okay, so probability that person 50 will live till 70. So that case, that would be 5 by 14. That would be 5 by 14. And for the second case, the person who is there live till 70. Okay, and 8 is to 6 means 6 by 14. 6 by 14 would be the probability that who is 60 will live till 80. Who is 60 will live till 80. Who is 60 will live till 80. Who is 50, he will live till 70 is 5 by 14. What is the probability that at least one of them will be alive after 20 years? What is the probability that at least one of them alive? So you can do 1 minus probability that none of them will be alive. So 1 minus 1 by 14, both are independent event. 1 minus 6 by 14. So this is 1 minus 14 minus 5 is how much? 9. 9 by 14 into 14 minus 6 is what? 8. 8 by 14. So 1 minus 72, 14 square is 196. So 196 minus 72. 196 minus 72 is 124. 124 by 196. 124 by 196. This you can write as 31 by 4 fours are 16. 13, 31 for 31 by 49. Option C. Now let's discuss problem 3, like the probability that the trainee will remain with the company is zero point 0.8. So the probability that the trainee remain with the company is zero point 0.8. So here question number 3, probability that the trainee remain with the company. Suppose trainee is in company, so probability that the trainee remain in the company is suppose zero point 0.8. Okay, trainee remain with the company is zero point 0.8. Probability that the employee earn more than 20,000. Probability that the employee earn more than 20,000 is given as zero point 0.4. So the probability, what is E? E means the probability that uh, probability that employee earns more than 20,000 rupees. Probability that the employee earns more than 20,000 rupees, that is 20,000. That is probability of E. It means probability that the employee earns more than 20,000 rupees. That I'm assuming that means probability of E. Okay. So here in this question, it was given uh, that the trainee probability that the trainee will remain with the company, that is given as zero point 0.8, and then probability that the employee earns more than 20,000 rupees, that is zero point 0.4. Okay, the probability that the employee who is a trainee and remain with the company or he earns more than 20,000 rupees is zero point 0.9. So probability that uh, probability of E union T means a trainee who is there with the company, trainee, 1 minute. So probability that the trainee who will be there with the company, probability that the trainee who is there with the company and earns more than 20,000 rupees. So trainee will remain with the company and earns more than 20,000 rupees. Okay, this is given as zero point 0.9. This is given as zero point 0.9. Okay. What is the probability that the employee he earns more than 20,000 rupees given that he is a trainee? Given that he is a trainee and they're asking you is this. So what is the probability of this person earns more than 20,000 rupees? So this is nothing but probability of E intersection T divided by probability of T. So E intersection T we don't know. So uh, I don't think this would be independent even, no? Like he should be trainee and earns more than 20,000 rupees. That cannot be independent event. So this is intersection union is given. Okay. So what we can do, we can find this probability of E intersection T as probability of E plus probability of T minus probability of E union T. That will give us E intersection T, right? That will give us E intersection T. So this is zero point 0.8 plus zero point 0.4 minus zero point 0.9. So how much you will get? This is minus zero point 0.5. This would be zero point 0.3. So zero point 0.3, this is intersection is zero point 0.3. So this is zero point 0.3 divided by trainee is zero point 0.8. So the answer would be 3 by 8. So the answer for this question would be 3 by 8. Clear? Option B is the answer. Question number 4. Uh, what is question number 4? Question number 4. The probability of girl getting scholarship is zero point 0.6. Question number 4. Probability of girl getting a scholarship. Suppose X is the probability of girl getting the scholarship that is given to you as zero point 0.6, and the same probability for boy, and for boy for boy it is given as zero point 0.8. Probability that the boy get the scholarship is zero point 0.8 and girl get the scholarship is zero point 0.6. Find the find the probability that at least one of the category get the scholarship. Means at least one of them get the scholarship means one minus none of them get the scholarship. Neither boy get the scholarship, neither the girl get the scholarship. Okay, so one minus zero point 0.6 into 1 minus zero point 0.8. So this would be 1 minus zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.2. So it is 1 minus zero point 0.08. It is 0.92 is the probability. So answer is option C, 0.92. So either of them get the scholarship means whenever they're asking you that either of them get the scholarship means find the probability that one of the category get the scholarship. It's like boy getting the scholarship, girl not getting the scholarship, boy getting the scholarship, girl not getting the scholarship means zero point 0.4. It can be boy not getting the scholarship zero point 0.2, girl getting the scholarship zero point 0.6, plus both of them get the scholarship zero point 0.6 into zero point 0.8. So when you solve this, you will get this 0.92 only. Clear? Then the last question, Arun and Tarun appear for an interview for two vacancies. The probability of Arun selection is 1 by 3. Probability of Arun selection, probability of Arun selection is 1 by 3. Okay, and the probability of Tarun selection is probability of Tarun selection is 1 by 5. Probability of Tarun selection is 1 by 5. What is the probability that one of them will be selected? One of them selected means Arun getting selected, Tarun not getting selected. Arun not getting selected, Tarun getting selected. So Arun getting selected is 1 by 3. Tarun not getting selected, 1 minute. So Arun getting selected is 1 by 3. Hmm. Tarun getting selected is 1 by 5. So Tarun not getting selected would be 4 by 5 plus Arun not getting selected would be 2 by 3 into Tarun getting selected is 1 by 5. Denominator, don't disturb the denominator. Numerator is 4 plus 2, 6 by 15. 6 by 15 is nothing but 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is nothing but zero point 0.4. Zero point 0.4 is the answer. So 2 by 5, option A is your answer. Fine. So I hope you have understood. With this, we have completed all the numericals of probability. Thank you.